Hey there, developers. Welcome to our deep dive into .NET 9. Today, we're exploring the exciting new AI features and other improvements that are set to revolutionize your development experience. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the new AI building blocks in .NET 9. Microsoft has introduced two key packages, Microsoft.Extensions.AI and Microsoft.Extensions.VectorData. These packages provide a unified way to interact with AI services, including language models and vector stores, making it easier than ever to integrate AI into your .NET applications. Next, let's look at the improvements in tensor operations and tokenization. These enhancements allow for more efficient AI computations and better text processing capabilities. One of the most exciting features is AI-assisted coding integrated right into the .NET SDK. This feature can significantly boost your productivity by generating code snippets, refactoring existing code, and even creating unit tests. .NET 9 also introduces a rich set of natural language processing tools. These tools make it easy to perform tasks like named entity recognition and sentiment analysis. While AI is a major focus, .NET 9 brings improvements across the board. Performance enhancements with faster exceptions and improved garbage collection. ASP.NET, core improvements for better web development. .NET MAUI updates for cross-platform app development. F#9 with new language features. .NET Aspire for cloud-native application development. That wraps up our overview of .NET 9's AI features and other improvements. With these advancements, .NET is positioning itself as a powerhouse for AI development while continuing to enhance its overall capabilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts on these new features. Happy coding!